so I thought I'd do an update on my server. Yeah, it's just over there for pile of all these other PCs I've got. And if we look over here, we have a new sort of setup. I have a a vertical case. This one's quite a large case, very cheap Mercury computer case. It came with a really shit computer that I bought one day. My new server, the old one crapped out, so I just decided to completely get rid of it. So my new server has a AMD Athlon 64 5200 plus. It's 2.6 gigahertz, 2 cores, 3 gigabytes of RAM. It is a lot faster than that computer there, which had a Pentium 4 3 gigahertz hyperthreading. This one's got a 360 gigabyte boot drive and a 1.5 terabyte storage drive. I've bought some little hot swap bays to go into the 5.5 inch bays up here. I've got 3 spare ones, so I've bought 2 of them, just see how 2 get on for now. I'm planning to go to gigabit. In fact, I've already bought a gigabit switch. It hasn't arrived yet, but yeah, gigabit switch and some high quality cables. Here's a couple more now that I haven't used yet. Currently it's 100 megabits per second. So yeah, that goes down to the router. And it's tidied up down there now. So the server's been upgraded. What I'm going to do next, when the gigabit the gigabit switch arrives, is I'm going to have a setup so the router goes to the switch, the server goes to the switch, and I can tap every computer off the switch. So then I get gigabit networking from the computer here, the server here, and I'm also going to be able to get internet to each of those computers. So that's basically how I want the setup. Maybe later I'll get a 300 megabit per second Wi-Fi router or home plugs. That's just a way of getting faster speed networking in other parts of the house rather than just in here or wherever I run the cables to. A friend of mine, thanks to Hamza from MITI, it might be MIIT YouTube channel, got my server running a website. So he'd done all the technical port forwarding and stuff like that. I don't know too much about networking, but thanks to him he's helped me out and getting it going. So now I've got a lot of editing to do. This is the website I'm working on now. It's currently something else that looks different, but I'm still working on coding this one here. As you can see, there's a lot of coding there, but I'm not using much coding at all, as I can just type and edit the stuff in here. So that's the website being developed now. Instead of Apache, using WAMP server. I suppose that's better. Hamza changed that. I was using Apache first of all. So I'm just getting it all set up there. This is what you're looking for to come. Speed test and contact and all of that sort of stuff. It's not completely finished, and I'm going to make it look a little bit better, but currently there's something else, and I'll see if I can find it. It might be this one here. There it is. This is the current one here. It's got the home page. This is the home page now, a speed test, and the YouTube channel link. Here we have it over here on my laptop. The speed test is probably the best thing on there now that you can try if you want to. This is PCTeckTips.com. If I go to speed test, begin test, you can see the networking speed from my server to your server, or your computer rather. There's something wrong at the moment. I'm not too sure why, but sometimes the download doesn't actually work properly. There's a download there, and I've had up to 60 megabits per second before, so there's something actually wrong, and it's probably something to do with the file. Oh well, that's it for now. I'll do another update when I get the gigabit gear put in.